the outbreak that has turned deadly. This morning, federal health officials confirmed that 4 people in 3 states have died from listeria, traced to cantaloupe from a Colorado farm. At least 2 other deaths could be related as well.
The Centers for Disease Control say 35 people in 10 states got sick from eating contaminated cantaloupe. The source of the outbreak recalled its entire crop last week. It had sent 300,000 cases of cantaloupes to 17 states.
Joining us now is medical correspondent Dr. Jennifer Ashton. Jen, good to see you.
Good morning, you guys.
First of all, let's talk about what is listeria.
Well, we're talking here about a bacteria that we normally find in association with deli meats, unpasteurized milk or cheese products, or even some refrigerated seafood. So it is unusual to be associated with fresh produce in this case, but it is a bacteria. And in terms of what symptoms it can cause, typically things that are very flu-like, so they could be easily misinterpreted, but you could have a fever, some muscle aches, even a stiff neck, a headache, obviously some gastrointestinal symptoms, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea. In most people, this is going to be mild. Again, in certain people, this could be severe, even deadly, particularly pregnant women. This can cause anything from miscarriage to preterm labor to stillbirth.
So obviously treatment and prevention are of the utmost importance here.
Exactly. And when you're talking about treatment, really, again, most cases will be mild. They will require no treatment. Severe cases, you're talking about needing antibiotics, possibly hospitalization. But the best treatment, of course, is prevention. So you want to practice safe food handling practices always. You want to actually use bags that separate your produce from your meats. Read the labels. If something says refrigerate after opening, put it in the refrigerator, and when in doubt, throw it out. Things should not be kept out for more than 2 hours. Try not to reheat things. If you have to smell it to tell whether it's still good, don't eat it.
Good for you to mention it's not typically associated with cantaloupe listeria,
right.
But if we could step back, the number of foodborne illnesses every year, put that in perspective.
Incredibly common, Jeff. Affects 1 in 6 Americans. That translates to 30 million people, 3,000 of whom will die from foodborne related complications. So the disease trackers at the CDC are going to be watching this closely.
Thanks for breaking it all down for us,
bet.
Dr. Jennifer Ashton. As always, we appreciate it.